Yeah, yeah. It's your boy Cantstop, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, get my Don King Ludacris song, you feel me? You know, had to get it back, you know, get it straight in the morning, you feel me? But, told y'all I was gonna come with some YouTube videos, Facebook videos, about their ratchet ass hoes. You know, how you know you're a ratchet? You know, shouts out to Emmanuel and Philip Hudson. You know, everybody confused about being ratchet. You know, I guess a lot of females don't know if they ratchet or not. How you know you're ratchet? Uh, if I'm 500 feet away from you and I can hear every word you saying, and I can make every word you saying, and I'm telling you to shut the fuck up, and you can't hear me, bitch, you ratchet. Okay? You ratchet. If I can tell you the Red Lobster, I can tell you the Longhorns, I can tell you some shit you ain't never seen before, and you be like, looking on the menu, oh shit, girl, they got wings, they got ham, oh shit, look, what the hell is that? And you ordering everything on the list, bitch, you ratchet. If you got some motherfucking nice jeans on, nice shirt on, you got pink fingernails, and you got some big ass pink snow boots on, bitch, you ratchet. Ratchet, ratchet, ratchet. Yitty!